What's up, what's going on, everybody? So I know I said in the last video that this was going to be the last video you guys see on the channel in this car, with this car, whatever. And then reading through some comments, some messages I got on Instagram and everything, I don't want to give up on YouTube, and there's a couple things I want to touch on that I said in the last video as well, to clarify a few things. So yeah, sit back, buckle up, and let's get into it. Alright, so I know I said that the channel wasn't where I wanted it to be, or getting as many subscribers as I feel like I should have, or not should have, but where I think it should be, or where I was hoping. By no means do I mean my channel should have 100,000 plus subscribers or 1,000,000 subscribers or anything like that. That's not what I meant. But I feel like my channel should have between at least 10 to 20,000 subscribers and get the views really more than they're getting. So it's not so much of the subscribers part of it, it's more of the views per subscriber. I feel like, having almost 4,300 subscribers on this channel, I should get, more than, 100 views per video or so. I feel like it should be doing better. And I don't know if it's the quality of videos that I'm putting out, or the content I'm putting out, or what it is. But if you guys have any input on it, put it down in the comments and I'll gladly look at it. And the other part of this will be, we're doing some work on this car today, guys, and it's going to be posted in this video, so stick around for that too. But for this part of the segment of the video, at least, we're going to talk a little bit. And please don't skip through. This is very important for the channel and this car. So there's hope for the channel and this car, and we can make it happen. When I say we, I can't do it on my own. I can push this content, and post as much as I can, but I need the support. And I don't mean support like, oh, pay my bills and pay this and buy this for my car. I mean views. I need the views. And for the OGs, I did something, and the people that want to see me keep pushing and don't want this channel to die just as much as I don't want to stop doing YouTube or stop working on this car, because doing YouTube is something I enjoy, and it's not about the money. It really isn't. But when my source of income is YouTube, it has a big part in it, because I got a wife, I got kids, I got bills just like everyone else, So I can't treat YouTube as, oh, it's a hobby, because it's past what it was in the past for me as a hobby. It's a job for me. This was my job. This was what every waking moment I spent my time on, between planning a video, making the video, editing the video, posting the video, like everything, and it takes time to do all that. It's not easy to do. It takes time to edit, it takes time to record, and it takes money to get parts. So what I did is, if you guys look here, I'll show you in a second. Let me get to it. But if you go here to YouTube, open up your YouTube, right? And then you search Car Dude Garage, okay? You go to my channel. Make sure you're subscribed first. That's the big thing. If you click on my channel, you don't even have to. It'll be down at the bottom in the description part area where it shows my channel, and if you're subscribed and everything, next to it you will see a little button right there now that says join. Alright, so what I went ahead and did was did a membership. So you click join. Alright, so now there's two things you can do. You can do the sneak peeks of everything, which will give you early access to videos. So before I post a video on the channel, you guys will be able to see it first. You know, and then you get loyalty badges next to your name in the comments and on lives. You'll get that. There's two options, like I said. That one for the level 1, I guess they will consider it, is $5.99 a month. If you guys want to help support the build and everything, and my dreams and my love and passion for cars, this is for you guys. Anyone else, just continue watching these videos, liking and subscribing, and that does a lot. So, and then if you want to go above and beyond that, like I said, you guys don't have to do this, but this will help tremendously keep this channel going and me building this car. So, and the next one is, I guess, level 2 or stage 2 as they would call it. It's $19.99 a month, right? And with that, you'll get early access to new videos, contacting social media wise, meaning anybody and everybody that messages me on social medias, like on Instagram or whatever, 100% gonna get a reply, which I really normally do a lot. But if I'm gonna do this, I gotta be to this. You know, if I've already talked to you guys, we're gonna continue what I do. I pretty much message everybody back on social media and comment on everybody's posts or videos, or comments on the videos, you know, post on the videos. We'll do member only lives. All right, so we'll do lives for members only, where only obviously members can get to access to. The big one, members shout outs. So if you join that one, $19.99 a month, monthly I would choose somebody that is a member, and they will get a shout out either for their Instagram or for their YouTube channel. They're trying to start a channel or something like that. I can help promote their channel and push their channel on their social media. So that's a big thing. Another, members only chat rooms. We'll do a chat room on Messenger for like Facebook, and only members can be in that. You guys will have full access to it and message and comment me and be able to message me whenever and get 100% reply right back. So that's another big thing. Photos and status updates. As I'm doing videos in that members only chat, I will be posting update pictures and status on, hey, this is going to be our next plan for the car. Hey, this is what the next video is going to be. Stuff like that. And another thing that I'm going to do that is not included, that's not shown there, but I'm going to do personally for those, other than the early access, the live, the updates and the monthly shout outs and stuff, and replies to any message on social media, I'm going to do monthly stickers, right? So monthly, every month, if you're a member, you will get a sticker. So every month you guys will get a new sticker. So I'm already working on a couple designs with my sticker guy, about making these stickers. So every month we'll come out with another sticker, and we'll send them out to all the members for the $19.99 a month. So there's that. Group chats, new stickers monthly, and the members live. So if you guys want to help support beyond just watching my videos and stuff, this kind of like, let's consider like a Patreon kind of thing. This will help tremendously. This will help us able to keep this channel going and posting on the channel for this car and anything else we do for the channel and for YouTube, you know. And another thing I'll do is anyone that is a member, whether you're only doing the $5.99 or the $19.99, you guys will automatically be entered in any giveaway we do on this channel as long as you're a member. So if you're a member for the $5.99, you'll have, you know, 2 entries into any giveaway. If you're doing the $19.99, we'll do 5 entries. So you get 5 free entries in any giveaway that we do on this channel. So those are your options if you want to become a member and help support the channel my dream of being a full-time YouTuber and my love and passion for cars. I know a lot of people didn't want me to give up on this. I know a lot of people were commenting and DMing me like, oh, I hate to see you leave, blah, blah, blah. Or, you know, don't quit, keep pushing, you know, and a lot of people understood the reasons, and they're legit reasons, man. Like, I have kids, I have a family, you know, we're trying to buy our house, we're trying to progress in our personal life stuff, you know what I mean? So YouTube takes a lot of time out of that. But if it can benefit me and you guys as well, we will keep pushing. I don't want to give up on my dreams, you know? So, yeah. If you guys would do me a favor and check that out. Like I said, $5.99. You guys get early access to videos and entered in every giveaway that we do. Monthly giveaways or whatever we do. Whenever we do a giveaway, you guys already automatically are entered into it. So 2 entries if you do the $5.99, 5 entries if you do the $19.99. This is not something you guys have to do, and I'm not pushing nobody to do it, but if you want to help more than just watch these videos and stuff like that, that will help tremendously. So we'll try this out. If it works out, we'll continue doing what we do. If it don't, then we'll have to revisit this later on. I don't want to give up on my dreams though, guys. And I know y'all like seeing these videos and enjoy the content, because I had a lot of things planned. I can show you on my phone. I have lists of things like, hey, let's do this for this and this and planning things out, you know, trying to make things work with my budget. So, but I think that's enough talking. So not sure how long this will be after editing it down some, but let's get into the part y'all really want to see. Let's get to work on this car. Alright guys, so as you guys can tell, you know, we have no windows in this car or anything. I do have 2 stock wheels for this car. What my plans were with the 2 stock wheels were to have slicks on these, so when we do the track stuff, we'll have slicks. So, like I said, I had plans for this car. We have the cage stuff for it. We got a bunch of stuff for this. Rear Lexan windows coming soon. But, yeah, so I have 2 of these, and I'm going to take these tires off, and was going to put some either R888s on it or slicks, most likely slicks, especially for the track. But that's not what we're getting into in this video. In this video, guys, this door and that door doesn't have windows. So we need to put some windows on this because I'm tired of the car getting wet on the inside, especially the seat. And, you know, we have all of our electronics right here for the harness. We got the plugs over there for ECU. We got a fuse box over there. And obviously no windows up here. Back here, I'm not too worried about as much because there's no electronics really that can get messed up back here. But on that door and here, there's. But as you see, this door is cut out. But when I cut this door out, guys, I know you remember I kept the glass. So my plan is we're just going to go ahead and put this glass in here and fasten it up somehow so the window can't come up or down, and it'll block water from coming in. And on that side, it still has the motor and everything in it, so we can just add some power over there and get that window up. So that's our plans in this video for the car. And yeah, I just really wanted to tell you all what was going on with the whole membership thing and get some windows up on this so we can keep water from getting inside this car. So set you up on the tripod. Let's figure out how we're gonna get this in here and held up and work on that side. That was easy. If only, right? That's up. We'll probably try and find a piece of 2x4 or something to put here to hold it up. But right now, got a good seal. But definitely want more than just the window up like that. Let's go ahead and put some bolts in this to keep some more tension on this slider, so we don't have to worry about the slider falling or moving and giving that window more weight to come down. Let's go ahead and work on trying to get the other one up. Look at that, there's a window there. That's crazy to see, guys. Almost looks like a normal car again. As long as we get something there, you won't even notice there's no window here, or that, you know, the car's gutted and taken apart. But let's go ahead and work on the other side now. Alright guys, so my plan for this side is this cable here, this plug here goes straight to the, get rid of all this stuff since we ain't gonna really need it at this moment, but this plug here goes straight to the motor itself. So we can just go ahead and run power straight to this, then we can get this window up. So I don't think we can pull it up by hand at all. No. But yeah, so we're gonna grab the battery and put some power to here and get this window up. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go ahead and break the zip tie off right here. So we can use the existing plug to this and just make the wire as long as we can, and then just connect it straight to a battery, you know, which from what I'm looking at is actually these two wires right here, you know, so we can literally just cut it to right down here, pull it through, and then we'll strip this side. So now all we gotta do is grab the battery and go from there. And even instead of using the battery from the car, we're just gonna use the battery from the Milwaukee tool. Positive and negative, we're good to go. Alright, so just got a Milwaukee battery, and then you find out which one is positive and which is negative. So we'll go ahead and stick one in here, the other one over here. Alright, so that one's going backwards. That would take it down, so put it this way. There it is. Push the window up. This window's a little messed up though, so go down a little bit on it and pull it back. So we'll do that there. This on here. Just a little bit. Slide this one on this side. And this one here. And then like that, the window is up. And then what I'm gonna do with these pieces here, I know that sun is beaming really hard on y'all, I'm sorry. I don't know how well being able to see any of this. But these pieces here, we'll just go ahead and cut off. So actually I didn't even need to do that, to be honest. What I can do is just unplug this. Therefore, when we have the battery connected, these two cables wouldn't touch and short out. So right, I'll just go ahead and cut this one off as well, just because why not? And we ever need to roll the window up and down, we have this to go up and down on it. And like that, we have windows up, no water can get in on passenger side or on the driver's side now. So look at that, guys, we are good. But with that being said, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Wasn't really a long video, just something I wanted to do while the car sits for a bit until we figure stuff out with it and get it moved over to where we're going and do some more work on it. But while we're not working on it, we need these windows up regardless. So figured this would be a good opportunity to make this video for you guys. So don't forget, guys, if you do want to help support the dream and the love and passion for cars, check out that membership button just right next to where you'll see subscribe, right next to the little Car Dude Garage icon in the bottom. God, that sun. Whew. I don't know where's a good view for y'all, but yeah, if you guys want to do that, it'll mean a lot to me. $5.99 get you early access, or $19.99 will get you so much more. So that being said, guys, I'm gonna head in this video, get it edited and posted up for y'all today, and we'll go from there. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, thank you for supporting me and my dreams to become a YouTuber. But peace out and God bless.